In the future, maybe more than 100 years from now, all our supplies of fossil fuels are going to be essentially exhausted, and that is accepted. Coal, oil, natural gas is all going to be exhausted. They are not renewable and thus mandate a need for an alternative source of energy. We are thus posed with these questions. Can renewable sources alone meet this energy need? Can centralized production and grid distribution of power cater to all echelons of society in the developing countries? These questions are relevant because renewable sources would last indefinitely. They need to be developed to the fullest extent such that we have a sustainable source of energy. The renewable energy generation can also be scaled down through localized power generation. But is this strategy sustainable? It is only if we try to answer questions like these that a country can form a long-term energy policy. For all developing countries, we need to assume how much further we should continue to grow the centralized power production capacity. The population of India is assumed to stabilize around 2070, and knowing the energy needs for a reasonably satisfactory quality of life, we can compute a certain number that corresponds to the net energy requirement half a century from now. With fossil fuels essentially exhausted and the increasing population added to the climate load, we need to shift focus to something more in line with tackling the energy demands and the environmental need. Off-grid power production aimed at micro-communities is an alternative strategy to cater to such demands. Microbial fuel cell technology is one of the multiple clean energy production approaches that can help solve this problem. Among its diverse benefits are dual functions of wastewater treatment and electricity generation. The feed utilized by this energy conversion system is the organic wastewater and various effluents, thus needing minimal external intervention, and the power generated as electricity degrades the organic components in the wastewater, thus decreasing the wastewater treatment energy requirements and producing power at low cost. Power thus obtained is an added benefit to the wastewater treatment attained, and hybridizing it with a biogas plant to ensure necessary anaerobic conditions ensures that we get biogas as an added byproduct. Assemblies like this designed for micro-communities can be instrumental in supplying off-grid power while providing source of income to the communities in rural areas and help take care of waste management and open methane generation in developing countries. A dual benefit of decreasing carbon emission and ensuring power supply to the rural communities seems more in reach.